Hello, hi. Today we are going to introduce you the whole series of Zigbee technology. So, why we require a Zigbee technology, right? Because Zigbee actually sends generally they are very small signals that require a very small amount of energy. So, most of their devices, for example, the door sensors, the hardware actually is very small. It can only communicate through Zigbee signal because most of the Wi-Fi signals requires power, at least power by USB. A hub to communicate, to transmit between Zigbee and our home Wi-Fi. So I'm going to set up the Zigbee hub first, the wireless hub. So this is a small wireless hub. So you see most of the power or the Wi-Fi required device, actually they all require power. Plus gateway, this is Zigbee wireless gateway. Okay, it requires pairing, so perform pairing, confirm, indicator blinking rapidly. Okay, it's found. So now I need to add, is there any sub device? This one, door window sensor, which is this, and this is a temperature sensor, thermometer sensor. This is a motion sensor, motion sensor. So you see, most of the Zigbee doesn't require power. Then the last one is we call it remote switch. So today I'm going to demonstrate how can I use this switch to configure a wireless remote to control my lights. Okay, once I open up the Zigbee, the switch actually just requires you to insert 2 batteries. So this is 2 battery. Once you insert the battery, you need to hold this button for 10 seconds to reset. Yeah, you found. Press done. You just okay. So once they cover back, so the blue light is on. Now it's paired. So what I'm going to set is under this, I'm going to set I'm going to add intelligent. When condition is met, so I will say single click. Every time I click it, this device, which is my floor lamp, I will say switch on and off. So you can choose. You can also say every time I press, it will change to yellow. Every time I press, so everything you can set here. Then once you confirm, don't stop here. You need to edit the name. Choose a name. You can save, say, turn on floor lamp. Then you press save. So this one is set. Now let's see. I can say every time I press, it's off. Every time on. Yeah, so even though the bulb is Wi-Fi, but using a Zigbee device, this Zigbee communication will send to the Zigbee hub, and through the Zigbee hub, which it will transmit into a Wi-Fi signal and communicate with the rest of the Wi-Fi. I can also configure the same thing to switch on my aircon. So let me do it again. So it's the same thing under the phone. You press one more, add intelligent. Condition is met. Now I'm going to say double click. When I double click, I'm going to switch on my aircon, my air condition. So let's say double click, it will be off. I will say aircon off. Save. Same time, I can also say last one, I can say long. There's one more condition, right, which is long press. I can say aircon on. Okay, so I set 2 more conditions. Let's test it now. So my aircon right now is controlled through the infrared. So when I double click it, the aircon will be off. Then when I long press it, yeah, aircon will be on again. So for one GAN, actually they have 3 functions. So you can manually set what kind of functions. And now we're going to set up door window sensor. Add sub device. So I need to hold. Yeah, it starts to blink. Already blinking. Door sensor, done. So I'm going to add here door sensor. So once I open up the window, when I open the window, see, aircon is off. And when my window is closed, aircon will be on. So this is another set of automation.